start the motor and launch like that. Okay, in today's video I'm asking for your help. So far I've got a few skills flying in manual with the Neo and now the Avata. I'm going to go through those skills that I've acquired so far, but I want your help to help me fill the gaps. What are the things that I should work on next? What are the things I need to improve on? So first of all, let's look at the takeoff variations that I can do. One, taking off in normal first. So let's just take off in normal. So taking off in normal and then switching over to manual. So manual here, line the green dots up and we're away. Okay. And then bring her back in. Put it back in to normal. Number two, taking off in manual off the floor. So we're going to use the Avata box because I don't have a launch pad, like so. Bring you guys down. Okay, so now we're going to take off in manual. So put it into manual, we turn the motors on, and then we launch straight off, like so. Okay, and then the third one is the hand launch, which is pretty fun in manual, but a bit dodgy. So this one's a bit sketchy. We need to be a little bit careful with it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it into manual now, and then throttle down, start the motor, and launch like that. Now I haven't done that with the Avata before. I've done it with the Neo. That was a bit crazy. Crazy. Okay. That went fast. But it worked. So they're my options for takeoff. I don't know if I need to learn any others. What else do we have? Okay, we've learned how to fly through gaps. I'm still being a little bit careful with the Avata. The Neo I'll push a little bit further, as you know if you've seen some of my other videos. But a good example, let's fly through this. I'll show you I'm pretty happy with medium gaps. So gaps are good. Okay, next let's look at general flying. So I'm just going to snake around all of these trees in different directions, like figure eights and stuff, just to show what I've got in terms of handling. So yeah, we're at 27 degrees. Everything does happen way faster with this compared to the Neo. Okay, so I can fly around trees and things, not too bad. Obviously you can always improve on that, but going like different directions. Okay, now let's go to tricks. Okay, so for flips, I'm going to bring the throttle down and I'm just going to spin it over fast. Like so. That wasn't the best. I need to get a little bit better at this, of doing these while I'm flying instead of just like pausing what I'm doing. But you can see I can do, so that was rolling to the right. Let's do the same to the left. To the left. And we've got the front and back flip. So that direction, same this direction. And then power loops. This is something I struggled with the Neo. I got a couple, but definitely with this Avata, it's a lot easier to power loop, like so, just because you've got way more oomph to get out at the bottom. I probably still can finesse that, and I'm definitely not at the level where I feel like I could go through something. Some of them are more flippy than rolls or power loops, but yeah. S turns, so a split S. So this is something I'm getting more used to. Again, was very hard with the Neo. So fly in this direction and then turn in like so. I'm not sure if that's 100% correct. So I think you need to be going forwards, turn it over, and then pull it out like that. I think that's an S turn. That wasn't. That type of thing. Okay, so definitely need to get better at S turns. Probably need a little bit more open space and have a go at going through some things. So I'd say that's like my skill level at the moment. Oh, I've got dives. Obviously that's just dependent on how much thrust I have out the bottom. So now you can dive down with this a lot better than the Neo. No real prop wash so far. Okay, so that's where I'm at with everything. I'd really appreciate if you could give me any advice, things I need to work on, things I need to improve on, any gaps, what's other skills that you really need, things I can now try with the Avata that maybe I couldn't have done with the Neo, or things that I can do with the Neo that I can't with the Avata. I think learning manual with the Neo was really good because it is a little bit more tricky for certain skills, and it's more happy to crash. So let me know down in the comments and I'll speak to you guys in the next one.